What's happening, ladies and gents? I am here Thanksgiving morning. Yesterday I fell asleep. I started like two things and just conked out like about 1 o'clock in the morning. So I am back nice, bright and early. It is almost 12 o'clock. Cheese over the mac and cheese. But if you want it to be nice and creamy, I suggest you just do this. This is just my own little quick fix of how to make mac and cheese real quick.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault.
So I'm gonna go ahead and dice up my sweet potatoes so I can make my candy yams. You see my strawberries, they're actually soaking right now, and I'm gonna clean up this mess actually. That's what I'm about to do. So I'll pick you guys up when I'm almost finished. Okay, I have finished making the mac and cheese. As you can see, I am now pulling out the ingredients to make the candy yams. So let me turn you around so you just can see what ingredients I do use for the candy yams. So you have your vanilla extract, your ground ginger, your ground nutmeg, your cinnamon, and a little bit of cloves. A lot of people don't like to use cloves, but you can. That's all the ingredients mixed together in a pot. And I'm going to dice up the sweet potatoes / yams. We know the difference. So I'm going to cut those up. The reason why this color is different from this color on screen is because I washed these earlier and patted them dry, and this one I just washed, which was the last one. So yeah, I'm about to dice that up and put my candy yams in the oven. Yes, I am. Okay, so let me get to doing that real quick.
And I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand.
The mac and cheese is done. The candy yams is done. And I am in the process of doing the potato salad and the banana pudding along with the chocolate covered strawberries. So right now I'm just going to show you the ingredients for the banana pudding that I'm about to put together. So let me tell you guys around.
Where do they do ingredients? So
that's impossible.
That is what you're mixing that with, and once I'm done with the pudding in the fridge for almost 30 minutes, I'm going to take that out and I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare the remaining of the banana pudding dish. Okay? All right, y'all. I am at the last leg of what I'm trying to do here for Thanksgiving. So I'm just going to turn you around so I can tell you and show you the ingredients that I use in my potato salad. Just in case you want to, go ahead and try that recipe if you want to. But this is from my mama. So here you have your garlic, your adobo, your sweet relish, your yellow mustard, your Hellmann's real mayonnaise, oregano, minced onion, slap your mama, and magic salt-free seasoning.
I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up.
All right, y'all. So I got good old Des to help me with the banana pudding. She's doing the whipping cream and the pudding, mixing that together. So that'll be our base. She already. Oh, my leaf fell in. I'm going to wipe the extras off. Come over here. And you place it on the wax paper. Once you place it, you do that for each one. Then you put it in the fridge for about an hour. Let it harden up. And you got your chocolate strawberries. Chocolate strawberries, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. It's very easy. So Do what you got to do, y'all, for Thanksgiving, because this is what I'm doing.
2 hours later.
Okay, y'all, I have completely finished my Thanksgiving, and let me just reiterate, I don't cook anything that nobody eats. So when you see people having collard greens and string beans with the potatoes and all that other stuff, let me tell you one thing, we don't eat that in here. So I'm not going to cook anything that nobody's going to eat. So let me turn you around so I can show you exactly what I actually cooked for Thanksgiving. So that's my turkey with my stuffing, my mac and cheese, my candy yams, my potato salad, and as you can see, only half has eggs on it because the other half, certain people don't like to eat eggs in their house. So that's why you see half and half. Then we have the Grand's biscuits, the chocolate strawberries, and the banana pudding, in addition to the cornbread is in the convection oven. So that what I have cooked for Thanksgiving for today, and we are about to say grace, dig in, eat, and I also made some coquito. Yes, I did. I made some coquito, and that's, you know, in the fridge chilling. So yeah, this night's gonna be full stomachs and drunken minds. Have a happy Thanksgiving, y'all.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
See, I got my food. And Jess got their famous mac and cheese. So as soon as I'm done, I will give a critique on this restaurant. And no, when you come to New York City, this is a place you could potentially eat. This salad is exceptional, y'all. It tastes really fresh. So we come to the conclusion that the food is actually really good in here. So Yard House is definitely a possibility for a restaurant for you to go eat at in New York City. Midtown Manhattan, 42nd Street, Times Square. It's actually on 41st Street and 7th Avenue. So, you know, you could Google it yourself. But the food here is pretty good. We had the barbecue salad, the famous mac and cheese that they made, and we had a strawberry lemonade and a dragon fruit lemonade, which is really good. Remember the song, y'all? Hey, 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 hey. Oh, baby, yo, that they're gonna come over here and say happy birthday. Oh God, she definitely does not want them to come over here and talk about happy birthday, happy birthday, hey, hey. You know how they be doing in the restaurant. She definitely doesn't want them to come over here and say that. Ooh, Lord have mercy, she'll have a heart attack. But I'm gonna have to be camera ready, I know that. I'm looking at all angles. Like Felix the cat. Just so I can catch it. Y'all. Happy birthday, Dad. praying they wasn't going to sing happy birthday. But instead they did a cute little cheesecake with a strawberry and did happy birthday and cinnamon. That's hard as hell to do, unless you got a template, which they probably did. But it was cute. Make a wish, Jess. Yay! I normally don't eat dessert, but this dessert is slamming. It's called the Brookie. It's vanilla ice cream with caramel and chocolate fudge over a brownie. This brownie is everything, y'all. I love it. By the tree? When we come back this way, I'm gonna go to So it's not raining anymore and people have umbrellas up. And if somebody pokes me with an umbrella, it's gonna be on and popping. I can guarantee you that. There's no need for an umbrella to be up. Especially with all the scaffolds that they have up in New York City. Oh. They forever doing something, y'all. Look at 42nd Street. Lit up. Like Disneyland. Before it used to be XXX all over the place. Now it's Broadway shows all over the place. They really cleaned up 42nd Street from the 80s and 90s, y'all. Come on, folks. They really have. They have cleaned it up tremendously. What? You smiling and laughing. Oh, let me turn this around. They don't close until midnight, y'all. 11 p.m. on a Sunday. That is absolutely... Why is this door so heavy?
I want you in my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love.
Oh, it's corduroy. I don't want no parts of no corduroy. And corduroy pants, y'all. Never in a million years will I ever put that shit on again. So you could be... What you gonna hear when you wearing corduroy. Especially if you got thighs like mine. Thighs like mine, you'll hear that in the corduroy. Like you got a windbreaker suit. I'm not about to have that. Corduroy may have came back in, but it ain't coming back in for me. That don't make no sense. Like I said, you'll be... I'm not about to do that to myself. Walking around talking about... Why the fucking down don't work? Oh God. Walking up these steps. Escalator don't motherfucking work. Look, y'all. Tell me if y'all think this is cute. But the price ain't cute. The price ain't cute at all. That's not a cute price for H&M. I don't think so. Not for a blouse. But the detail is pretty nice. And this one is cute too. Off the shoulder. I think it's only $14.99. Come in two colors. This is all cream and then cream with the black body. Of course, you know somebody tried it on with their deodorant. That's why they shouldn't have people try shit on. And at the end of our night, y'all, we at home. So I just want to show y'all the little glam face. No. Death's face. She did her little face up too. Real cute, real cute. This is our outfits. Like I said before.
The elevator.
The pants will warm up, but I'm going to do that in a little haul. And Jess's little outfit is Paxson, Victoria's Secret, and her dunks. Y'all, they done broke into my goddamn car. Broke my fucking window.
The damage to here.
Unfucking real.